Hello and welcome to this YouTube video where I'm going to show you how you can use the React components with the properties. The idea behind this video is not that I'm going to show you how you can create a project. I guess you already know that, but I'm just going to show you how I use my components and how you can optimize your processing and structure of the project. So first of all, I have created an empty project here, as you can see. Let me make this a bit bigger. It's just a simple Next project. I have here my index, which I'm just going to delete. Let's just delete everything from the main. Also, we are going to create a folder in here called components. Now we can try to run this project to see if it's working. So let's say npm run dev. As you see here, now it's starting in localhost 3000. We can click this link. And here our project is, we have to save this first, of course. So our project is right now just nothing. We have an empty space. What I'm going to do right now is just real quick to see if it works. I'm going to create a div, just say hey. You can see here it's working. Let's delete this. There's something weird going on in this project, I guess. That doesn't matter. Let's just keep going. It's fine. So what I do with my component. So let's try to keep it simple. I create a component. Let's call it a header. I have a really smart extension. So if we go to extensions, I want you guys to install the ES7 Plus React Redux React Native snippets. With these snippets we can simply type in here RFC and we get this React functional component. We click this and then we have our component here. So what I do, I type props in here, not like this, just like this. And then inside of our function, or our component, we say what we want to call. So let's say we want a header for our project. In here we say props.title maybe. That's our header 1. And then also we want, let's create another div up here, of course. We maybe also want a paragraph, and let's call this description. So right now we have our title and we have a description inside of this header component. So what we're going to do inside of our index, we are going to, instead of calling this, let's just delete this also. We want to say header and we want to import this component that we just created. So if we push this and save this, you see we have nothing because we need to call the properties that we just set into our header. So now we want to say title equals, and then let's say this is a title. We also want to set the description. So we say description. This is my description. Yes. So what we can do with these components is that if we want to use the header again, we can simply call, let me just show it. We can simply call the header, say, let's just copy this actually. Let's say this is, let's just say title 2 or something. And in description, we say, I have a simple description. So what we're doing now, as you can see, we call the component up here, saying this is the title, this is my description, which is this one. And then down here we say Title 2, I have a simple description. So what we do with our component is we create a functional component that can be used in different places. This is really smart if you're, for example, using, let's say we have something with an image, then we can use the component in different places in the web page. We can also, if we have like maybe a banner or something like contact me here, then we can just simply copy it into the different part of the application by using the component. So I hope everyone enjoyed this, and I hope it helped at least someone. Subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.